Blackstone just paid $2.5 billion for an HVAC company. Not AI, not crypto, not SaaS, HVAC. $140 million in EBITDA, 18.5x multiple. But here's the part nobody's talking about. They did it with 10 acquisitions. 10. This is what most people miss. Private equity isn't buying small businesses. They're buying systems of small businesses, fragmented industry, boring demand, recurring service, professionalized operations, stack them, integrate them, stabilize them. Now it's not a 10M roofing or HVAC company. It's a platform, and platforms trade differently. You don't get 18x because you're exciting. You get 18x because you're predictable. Cash flow, process, management layer, scalable playbook. Everyone wants the next unicorn. Meanwhile, Blackstone is writing $2.5 billion checks for air conditioning. The game isn't flashy. The game is buy right, integrate well, repeat. Small businesses aren't small when you stack them correctly.